Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mark with US 1061-757 Auto West and your Coastal Virginia Auto Show. We are out here at the HRADA International Auto Show. I'm out here with Larry Goughan. Larry, what did you bring out today?
I have a 70 Plum Crazy 446 pack Dodge Challenger and a 71 Hemi Orange, also 446 pack Dodge Charger.
Gotcha. And so anyways, tell us about the old orange, the 6-pack, the RT. You've been in this one for how long?
About a year and a half.
Gotcha. And then where are you from? You here in Virginia Beach, or you out in Hampton, or where you
I
at?
live in Chesapeake.
Chesapeake, gotcha. All right, and then so these, you drive these to shows, or you just kind of like to keep these and stare at them in the daytime, or what do you do with these cars?
All of the above.
All of the above. I got you.
They get out. I mean, I drive them regularly.
Weekend drivers here?
Sometimes, once or twice a month.
Gotcha. Do you show these very often?
When I can.
Gotcha.
When I can. I'm not big into the shows. I don't have a trailer. I don't tow it around the country.
Oh, okay.
But in the area.
There you go. So something close and worthwhile, you come out and hang out, right?
Yep.
All right, and then the 1970, the purple one behind us, how long you been in that one there?
About 2.5 years.
2.5 years, I got you. So, I mean, these are relatively new to you. They've had some work done ahead of you, but you said that you had to get some work done to them after you picked them up. What kind of things did you have to get done?
Well, since they're 6-packs, they're very, very temperamental as far as the tune-up is concerned. So both of them had to be carburetors pulled off, rebuilt, retuned,
right,
to get them running properly.
Gotcha. All right. So with that being said, the 6-pack means that this has 6 carburetors. This has three double barrels.
This has 3 2-barrel carburetors.
Okay. So there you go.
Dodge calls it a 6-pack. Plymouth calls it a 6-barrel.
Okay. All right. So we're going to take a little pause right here because we got Petty coming through with a Superbird.
Here he comes. Okay. All right.
All right, so we had a little bit of an interruption with the cool car coming through, and again, this is we're doing the Ultimate Muscle Car Challenge this weekend, so it's been awesome out here. So again, we got a chance to talk about, you've been a Mopar man for a long time, yeah?
Yeah, 1973.
And then this is, let's see, this is number 5 and 6 that you've had Mopars with muscle?
Well, with muscle? Yeah, probably 5 and 6.
Gotcha.
I've had several Chargers over the years, a few others.
Yeah, and again, with the 6-pack setup, just to remind everybody, just in case you didn't hear us when the other car was coming in. So again, it's 3 carburetors that are double barrel, so I mean, tuning them is a little bit trickier than the norm.
Yes.
All right. And then there's a specialist, because we were talking about Charlie Daniels, Daniels Performance out in Smithfield, is that right?
Correct.
He's done some work on these cars here, is that right?
Indeed he has.
Gotcha. And then that's some of the work that you had to have done after you picked them up, or he did some work on them before you got them?
No, after I picked them up.
Okay.
The Challenger I got from a nationally known restorer in Arizona who restored it out of a collection it was in for like 20 years.
Beautiful.
And the other one I got in Kansas from another classic car guy after it had been through a rotisserie restoration.
Very cool. All right, so Jeanette, any memories with any Mopars in the past?
Well, I never had a Mopar. My sister had the '68 Camaro. Lots of stories there.
Right.
But never had a Mopar. But I do love these cars.
They definitely stick out in a crowd.
Yes, they do. Yes.
All right, well, very good. We appreciate your time, and we wish you luck this weekend. So thanks a lot for having us out here, brother.
Thank you.
All right.
Vote for Larry.
Vote for
Yeah.
He's got 2 cars here, so he's got a good shot.
There you go, 2 for 1.
Taking home $1,000.
Awesome.
So yeah, that would be really cool.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys real soon. Come on out here. It's we're at the Virginia Beach Convention Center. It's the January the 7th through the 9th out here.
Yes,
So 2022.
yes.
If you can make it out here, come on out. It's out here for you. Otherwise, we'll see you guys on the road. Thanks a lot. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.